Hi, my name is Jayesh and I am from a small town of Uttar Pradesh, that's Saranpur. I am the CEO of a company Muse Gravity and it's a no-code business. We provide a software named Muse Ambas. Full form of Ambas is Mobile Backend as a Service, which is a no-code tool onto which you can develop Android and iOS apps without any coding skills. When I started my company in 2016, I was looking for a web form-based software onto which I can collect my customers' data. So I just googled it, and there were a lot of companies. Over there, I saw this Zoho Forms, and I signed up for Zoho Forms. And after that, I came to know about other softwares of Zoho. And later on in 2017, I switched to Zoho One. Previously, I was looking for a software that charged my customer on to a recurring basis. So previously, I signed up for other softwares, but they were not providing the exactly what thing I was looking for. I was using ChargeBee and later on I switched to Stripe. But in both of these, I have to make changes based on the customer needs. Like first, I need to send the customer a quote for their app and everything. But after switching to Zoho Billing, everything is completely automated. Like I don't even need to see the software. The customer just came to my website and over there he makes the payment. The most extremely beneficial feature is like hosted pages. It's a completely game-changing feature. Along with its recommended add-ons, which my customers get inside the hosted pages. Every time a customer signs up, and he knows what are the add-ons, and he can add them or remove them on his. This is an extremely different scenario. In other softwares, you need to do a lot of manual work. But in Zoho Billing, you need to do the work on the very first time, and you can do everything automatically. You just need to set up on your website, and within few seconds, your customer can go for the subscription. For Zoho Billing, I would rate 5 out of 5. I find no issues. In everything was fine for me. Even the customer support is so good. Even if I asked for an additional option inside Zoho Billing, they go extra step to develop that option. So I will definitely recommend Zoho Billing to other businesses as well. There are lots of reasons for that. The main reason is that Zoho Billing is tightly integrated with Zoho Payments. Now I don't have to deal with other softwares like Razorpay and like third-party payment gateways. So I can see my transactions, everything inside the Zoho Billing, and that's definitely a plus point for every business.